Walking benefits, 20 things that happen to your body. When you walk every day, walking can provide several health benefits to individuals of all ages and health levels. Walking can also help avoid certain diseases. It is free to do, and you can fit walking into your everyday life. Walking also decreases the danger of blood clots as the calf performs as a circulatory pump, transporting and propelling blood from the feet and limbs back to your heart, decreasing the pressure on the heart. Besides being a simple aerobic workout, walking is perfect for you in several other ways. In today's video on Nathan Health and Fitness, we will share with you 20 things that happen to your body when you walk every day. Increases blood circulation. Walking reduces the risk of heart disease, normalizes the heart rate, decreases blood pressure, and supports the heart. Females after pregnancy who walk only 1 to 2 kilometers per day can reduce their blood pressure by approximately 11 points in 2 years. Females who walk just 30 minutes per day can decrease their danger of stroke by around 20%, as stated by scientists. Figure 2 reduces bone fractures. Walking can prevent the damage of bone mass for people suffering from osteoporosis, as stated by researchers. Indeed, one research of postmenopausal females discovered that around 30 minutes of walking daily decreased their danger of hip fractures by approximately 40%. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Nurse 3 prolongs your life. The research discovered that individuals who exercise frequently in their 50s are approximately 35% less likely to die over the following 8 years compared to their non-walking equivalents. That figure increases up to 45% less likely for people who have fundamental health circumstances. 4. Lightens your temperament. Walking discharges regular pain-killing endorphins to your body cells. One of the emotional advantages of exercise, the study discovered that the additional steps individuals took throughout the day, the better their temperaments were. 5. Loses body weight. An abrupt 30-minute walk can burn approximately 200 calories. Burned calories can cause pounds to reduce. Your accurate calorie burn will rely on numerous factors such as walking speed, the area covered, the land. You can burn extra calories while walking uphill compared to walking on a smooth surface. And your body weight. You can regulate your genuine calorie burn by using a calorie calculator. 6. Strengthens your muscles. Walking strengthens your leg, belly, and arm muscles when you pump them while walking. This enhances your range of movement, shifting the force and weight from your joints to your body muscles. Also, exchange walking with additional cross-training deeds such as cycling or jogging. Additionally, you can also do resistance drills like squats, swings, and leg twists to further strengthen your limb muscles. 7. Improves your sleep. Studies discovered that females ages 50 to 75 who did 1-hour walks in the morning were more likely to release insomnia compared to females who didn't walk. 8. Improves inhalation. While walking, your inhalation rate enhances, triggering oxygen to move rapidly through arteries and veins, helping to remove waste products and increase your energy concentration and capability to heal. 9. Supports joints. Most joint cartilage lacks direct blood circulation. It acquires its nutrition directly from synovial fluid that flows when we walk. Movement and compression after walking squeeze the cartilage, carrying oxygen and nutrients into this part. 10. Slows down memory drop. Research of around 6,000 females ages 65 and older showed that age-linked memory drop was minor in women who walked extra. The females walking 2.5 kilometers daily had a 17% drop in memory compared to a 25% deterioration in females who walked less. 11. Decreases. Alzheimer's risk research discovered that males aged 71 to 93 who walked over a quarter of a mile daily had a reduced risk of dementia and Alzheimer's compared to men who walked less. 12. Does extra for longer. Aerobic walking and resistance workout programs can decrease the occurrence of disability in everyday routines for individuals older than 65. 13. Strengthens your heart. Walking for at least 30 minutes daily, 5 days a week, can decrease your hazard for coronary heart infection by around 19%. Your risk can decrease even more once you enhance the duration or area you walk daily. 14 reduces your blood sugar levels. Considering a short walk after consuming food can help decrease your blood sugar levels. Small research discovered that doing a 15-minute walk 3 times daily improved blood sugar concentrations more than a 45-minute walk later in the day. 15 reduces your joint pain. Walking can protect your joints, including your knees and hips. Walking supports lubrication and strengthens muscles that support your joints. It may also deliver benefits for individuals suffering from arthritis, decreasing pain. Walking 5 to 6 miles weekly can help avoid arthritis. 16 improves your immune function. Walking can decrease your risk of getting a cold or flu. Research tracked 1,000 people during the flu season. People who walked for 30 to 45 minutes daily had nearly 43% fewer sick days and fewer upper respiratory problems. Increases your energy levels. Taking a walk when exhausted can be more effective at boosting energy than a cup of tea. Walking increases oxygen movement through your body and enhances hormones like cortisol and norepinephrine that increase energy levels. 18 improves your creative thinking. Walking aids clear your head and supports creative thinking. Research comparing individuals devising ideas while walking or sitting found better results while walking, especially outdoors. 19 improves your digestion. Scientists discovered that a daily walking routine significantly improves digestion. Walking engages core and belly muscles. 20 reduces your risk of developing cancer. Maintaining a steady walking routine can decrease your risk of certain cancers. Walking for 7 hours weekly can reduce the odds of developing breast cancer by approximately 14%. Will you start walking every day after watching this video? Let me know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.